In this tutorial of 9.5.666 of Spotlight, I will show the split and merge layers functionalities. So let's say you have an object that appears in the first segment of the video and then they reappear in the second segment of the video, and you want to work on them individually. What you can do is you can split the layers. So I'll highlight. Go ahead and select my in keyframe of the first segment, do a right click. You have the option to delete keyframe or split layer. Go ahead and split the layer. And as you can see, a second layer is formed. You can always rename this, but what we'll go ahead and do, if you wanted to join them back together or merge them, go ahead and click on Control on your keyboard on the first segment, and then select the second segment, and now you have the blue bars highlighted. And then over here you have the merge button. Go ahead and select that, and then it combines the two segments back into one layer. Again, go ahead and if you want to split it, right click on the in keyframe of the first segment, split layer. If you want to remerge, go ahead and Control on your button on your keyboard, and then hold it down and press the second segment, and then you can release your key on your Control key, and then merge. It'll merge them back together. And always utilize the tracking and visibility button here. If you want to show the visibility, turn it on and off. Same with the tracking.